Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we'll be going to talk about how to generate YouTube video tags using ChatGPT or any other AI tools, right? So if you are uploading YouTube videos and manually guessing your tags or skipping them entirely, you are missing out on a easy organic reach, right? So in the next 3 minutes we'll be going to see like how we can generate and structure tags actually help YouTube understand and rank your content, right? For example, I have provided my title for this data cloud tutorial video, so how to use custom retrievers in prompt templates step by step. So I now want to generate few tags for it, right? So if you scroll down a little bit, in here you will find this tags section, right? Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. But YouTube is saying like tags plays a minimal role in your viewing, minimal role in helping viewers to find your video. But to rank your video and to understand, to provide a context to YouTube, like what kind of video you are uploading. So tags plays a crucial role in that case, right? So in here you can see I have already provided these tags and there are like 500 character limits is there. So let me just delete them all, right? So now how we can manually add the tags. So this is very simple. You just need to mention like data cloud tutorials. So this is my first tag. If I just click on hit on enter, so this is the first tag, right? So we can copy the tag as well, right? Copy all the tags. For example, I can add like data 360 courses. This is how we could add manually those tags, right? And there is character limit of 500 characters. Now we want to generate this tags, so we don't want to write it and guessing the tags, right? So we can just go to any AI tools and paste this prompt, right? So I'll be providing this prompt in this video description. So it will just generate searchable SEO tags for the following topic. We can just provide the title of our YouTube video. For example, in our case, the title is how to use custom retrievers in prompt templates step by step. And I have provided the requirement like generate relevant searchable keywords only. Each tag must contain 1 to 6 words. Separate all the tags with commas. So whenever we are providing the tag from means if we are providing the tag from an external source, that should be comma separated, right? So if we just provide the tags like in a random basis, like um, if we don't provide the comma, right? So this is how it will take a single within a single tag, right? So that is why we just need to generate those tag as a comma separated. So it is already mentioned in here, right? Enter a comma after each tag. So we need to provide copy means generate our tags comma separated. And I have provided the focus content on data cloud custom retrievers prompt builder, so providing context, right? And already provided the context for avoiding duplicate or nearly identical tags. Keep the total character count of tags including comma and spaces under 500 characters, since that is the limit. And do not add any hashtags, numbering, explanation or line breaks. Return only the comma separated, right? So this is a very simple prompt, so I have provided. So let me just click on send prompt, right? And we'll be seeing this is how we could simply generate our prompt, and we just need to simply copy the response. And we can see this is how these are the searchable keywords: data cloud custom retrievers, then custom retriever setup, AI prompt templates, retrieval augmented generation, Salesforce drag, then search prompt template setup. So this is how ChatGPT provided the response. So based on other AI tools, we could find like different response as well, right? So if I just copy this one and let me just delete, or let me just paste this one, right? And we could see the character count is 449, which is good, which is within 500 characters. So this is how we could simply generate tags for our YouTube video that will basically help us to provide the context, means what kind of video we are uploading for this, so it will be more rank based, right? So it will be more targeted keyword. So and so that's all for today's demo. So you hope if you find this is helpful. So if you like my content, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube tutorials playlist, I used to generally provide some try to provide some tutorials like how we can work with YouTube channel in 2026, how we can upload YouTube video. So I have already a monetized YouTube channel, so I have some knowledge on it. So I'm trying to share those knowledge with you guys, right? So that you can also can able to start a new YouTube channel in someday, or you could get started with your YouTube channel, since content creation will be the future in upcoming days, right? So content creation will be in huge demand in upcoming days. So in this channel, I generally upload tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio, as well as data cloud topics, and also I upload tutorials on agent force, flows, Salesforce out of the box configurations. So please stay tuned, and if you like my content, please consider to take membership into my channel, so that it will motivate me to create more tutorials for you. So thanks for watching.